The identity landscape of your company extends across various identity sources and applications, forming a complex environment that includes employees, partners, contractors, and customers. Users undergo different authentication flows, necessitate multiple sets of credentials, and enforcing a consistent baseline of security controls becomes challenging. Such challenges not only raise compliance concerns, but also have a detrimental impact on employee productivity. Advanced Directory is a cloud-based directory known for its scalability and flexibility. It has the capacity to store diverse identities and offers a platform to implement robust baseline security controls, password policies, secure authentication flows, and user-friendly access to essential applications. Specifically designed to address user management requirements, Advanced Directory provides a unified perspective into your company's identity landscape. Initiating the deployment of Advanced Directory involves the initial step of bringing users into the solution. This can be achieved by establishing a connection to your identity store through one of our pre-built directory connectors, such as Active Directory, Google Workspace, or Workday. OneLogin customers have the flexibility to include multiple directory integrations as required. Additionally, users can be added through CSV import, retrieved from a database, or sourced from an LDAP directory. After users are created in OneLogin's Advanced Directory, they can bring with them both default attributes and customized attributes. This capability is significant as these attributes play a crucial role in the functionality of our mappings engine. Mappings essentially consist of if-then statements, enabling the creation of rules within OneLogin. These rules can trigger various actions, such as placing users in groups or roles, applying password policies and authentication flows, and modifying user attributes. For instance, you could utilize mappings to assign a OneLogin role, along with access to associated apps, to users whose member of attribute from Active Directory includes a specific security group. Advanced Directory enhances your organization's capacity to oversee users across diverse applications, offering a platform to implement fundamental security controls, secure authentication flows, and password policies. Moreover, Advanced Directory ensures a secure credential management process for your organization's users, allowing them to utilize self-service password reset options that can be fortified by multi-factor authentication. Advanced Directory can help your organization create secure collaborative environments by using Trusted Identity Provider, which is a capability of Advanced Directory. Here you can set up trusts between your business partners' cloud directories in OneLogin, which will give your organization the ability to provide seamless access to applications of your choosing. OneLogin's Advanced Directory stands as a secure and adaptable cloud-based identity as a service solution, known for its straightforward implementation and management. It ensures a swift time to value by centralizing the administration and authentication of your organization's identity landscape, offering a user-friendly access approach to your workforce and bolstering your organization's cybersecurity posture.